Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing edge panels on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. If you want to fix missing edge panels, so turn on edge panel button. After turn on edge panel button, go back to home screen. You will see edge panel is showing on your left and right. You will see edge panel is here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing edge panel on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.